Hi kabahay! Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng property na single attached unit property, complete finish on turnover? Well, this is a Sapphire model located only here at the Metro Gate, Dasmariñas, Cavite. 5 minutes away lamang ito here at SM Dasmariñas and Robinsons Dasmariñas. Tara, check natin ang ating property. Hi kabahay! So dito nga pala sa ating model na Sapphire, meron po ditong fence and gate na included sa parking area. So as you can see sa ngayon kasi, hindi pa po finish ang ating construction dito sa ating model house. So, this is the facade of the Sapphire model. By the way, ito po ay may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. So, ito naman po ang ating pedestrian gate. So, as you can see, may doorbell na tayo dito. May naka-emboss tayong address. May additional lighting tayo dito sa ating entrance gate. Tara, check natin ang ating property. So, before we enter mga kabahay dito sa ating porch area, meron kayo makikita ditong inside garden. So, left and right po ay meron pocket gardens. So, ang ating flooring po ay meron landscape na tiles. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa ating carport area. So, dito sa carport area natin, again, this is a model unit and then hindi pa po tapos ang ating finishing dito. So, makikita nyo, meron tayo itong flooring na made from pebbles going to our service area naman. So, andito tayo ngayon mga kabahay sa ating service area. So, dito sa service area natin, meron tayong access papunta sa ating kitchen area. Meron tayo dito ang lavatory, naka-landscape tiles tayo dito, and syempre, meron pa rin tayo dito ang pocket gardens. Tara, check natin ang ating lanay area. So, meron tayong access dito papunta sa ating dining area and kitchen area. Tara, check na natin ang ating property. So, again, this is the main door. Ang ating main door po is made of steel. So, naka-keypad lock tayo dito. This is the living area. So, as you can see, very spacious po ito. Makikita nyo na may accent tayo dito ng PVC sa ating ceiling. So, on this side naman mga kabahay, this will be your dining area. Dito naman ang ating kitchen area. As you can see, meron tayong mga built-in cabinets over and under. Meron din tayong stainless pull-outs dito na pwede nyong gamitin as storage area. And then, ito yung access natin papunta sa lanay area. On this area naman mga kabahay is the first toilet and bath here at the ground floor. Kung ikaw kabahay ay may kasamang elders or PWD, pwede silang magstay dito sa ground floor bedroom. Meron tayo ditong floor to ceiling na built-in cabinets. Meron tayong nakaabang dito for window type aircon. And then, syempre, meron tayong ventilation na sliding window. Check naman natin mga kabay ang ating second floor. So dito sa ating staircase, meron tayo ditong wood railings and then ito naman is steel. Ang ating flooring is made from tiles. And of course, high ceiling tayo dito sa area na to. Meron tayong fixed window dito for the natural light sa ating second floor. So dito sa ating second floor mga kabahay, we have a total of 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. So this is the master's bedroom, bedroom number 2, and the common toilet and bath. Let's check the bedroom number 2 mga kabahay. So makikita nyo dito sa ating bedroom number 2, meron tayo dito ang sliding window. May built-in cabinets na floor to ceiling. May provision tayo for air condition. Dito naman ang inyong bed frame. So option nyo kung single or double size bed. And then syempre meron tayo ditong vanity area. Again, makikita nyo complete finish po ang ating bedrooms. At ang ating wall partition is concrete and not hardiplex. Tara, check natin ang ating master's bedroom. So, sa master's bedroom natin, mga kabahay, makikita nyo, very spacious ito. Kasyang-kasya dito up to queen size bed. Meron tayo ditong proper ventilation. Dito naman ang provision for your television. And of course, meron tayo ditong nakaabang na split type aircon. Meron tayong built-in cabinet sa floor to ceiling. And of course, meron tayo ditong access papunta sa balcony. Tara, check natin ang ating balcony area. So, dito sa balcony area, mga kabahay, makikita nyo, mayroon lang tayong ample space dito. Pero makikita nyo na talagang well-ventilated itong area na to. Kaya kabahay, kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng single attached unit property, complete finish on turnover with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. Again, this is a Sapphire model located here in Metro Gate, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Kaya kung ikaw ay walang spot, down payment, and then, meron kang 100,000 to reserve. Ito na ang property na para sa'yo. Avail this and call us at 0916-518-4710. This is Juan Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching, kabahay.